Hello, this is Vijay Kona and my Unity ID is vKona. This is regarding this demonstration of F0 project. I'll be showing the first open source project which I have created the deploy jobs for that. I will also be demonstrating the blue-green deployment strategy and also the new feature I have added in the pipeline. Let us start with the pipeline init job, pipeline init script. So this script basically makes our VM ready to run everything. So now our VM is ready. Now I'll be creating 2 droplets. This product script creates the inventory file with the required IPs. I'll be creating 2 droplets, one for blue and one for green. This provision is going to take a little while. So we have our droplet ready. Second droplet is getting provision. So now our droplets are ready. A new inventory file would have been created now with these IPs. So now I'm going to run the build and test job for the first Oasis project, which is Calculator. This is based on Node.js, JavaScript, and then a couple of technologies. So now it's installing the packages here. We are going to run the build and test on the VM. Now it's going to run the tests using Mocha. So these are all the tests which have run. Um, Now I'm going to show the static code analysis. This is the new feature which I have introduced in the pipeline. I'm using the ESLint package of NPM for doing this. ESLint is a tool for identifying and reporting on patterns found in JavaScript code. So this is similar to the JSLint. This uses an AST to evaluate patterns in the code. In this project, I have configured ESLint with a policy called strong loop. This policy is very popular as it has strong coding style. So with this linting process, we can find out many static code related issues such as unnecessary escape characters, variables which are assigned but never used, undefined modules, and this gives a detail of line number and column number. So this is where we are installing the ESLint with the strong loop policy. So you can see the output of the ESLint file. It actually checked all the indentation errors, whatever is the missing semicolons or unexpected spaces. And if an operand is assigned and assigned a value but never used, and strings must use single quotes. So all these coding conventions will check and report us in each and every JS file in our project. So now that we have completed the build part, test part, and the static code analysis part of the project, let us go and deploy the application into the blue and green servers. So we have written the deploy.js script as part of M3. This will take the inventory file created by prod script, which basically consists of our blue and green servers, and runs the calculator deploy job on both the servers. This is going to take a little while. So you can see both the servers are getting updated. So I have used PM2 for starting the processes. So I think the process got started in both the servers. Let us go and check. So let's take IP from inventory file. So yeah, this is up in one server. Let us check the status in other server as well. So now you can see both blue and green servers got up. Both are deployed with this application. Now we are going to check the deployment strategy. So I will go and start the nodes. So it started. So you can see now the server is on green and it's showing the 200 status. So now I am going to log into green and kill that process. Then it should automatically switch to blue. So I'm going to the green server to stop. So right now this process will be up. So now I'm stopping this. So it's stopped. Let us see the output of our deployment strategy script. You can see the server got changed to blue and it is coming from the other IP. So this is how our deployment strategy, blue-green strategy works. So now I'll be continuing the demo with the with next video, which has the details of second open source project.